Hi, welcome. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to do an easy passion twist, and this one is using the rubber band method, which is very easy and it makes the twist come out looking super neat. So I used FreeTress braiding hair and water wave 22 inches and 1B. This is the hair to use for your passion twist. This was $6.99 per pack at the local beauty supply store, but I'm sure you can find the hair anywhere. So now what I'm doing is that I'm sliding my crochet needle underneath the rubber band midway through your part. Once you do that, you'll go ahead and attach the hair once that is open. Since it's opened, once you do have the hair in there secured, you'll go ahead and close the latch. Bring that right underneath the rubber band once again as you had done before. So now what you'll do is make sure to take the hair out of that latch nicely so it does not get messy. That's going to be the loop in which you bring over one of the strands, or half of the twist. You bring it right through that little hole. Once you have that secured and separated from your actual natural hair, just kind of tighten that and you're creating a knot. So the knot that you just created, it actually helps to conceal the rubber band, which is a good thing. What I did there was use Styler gel and put that on my natural hair. So by doing that, I actually minimize the hairs sticking out, and it actually helps to blend better. So once you have that secured and tightened, you can start twisting. So as you can see here, my hair is pre-parted and tied with the rubber band. The reason I did it this way is because I want everything to be as neat as possible. Now, it took me about 4 hours to pre-part the hair, maybe about 3 to 4 hours, mainly because I was doing it myself. But I would definitely recommend that you do this because you want to have everything neat. You want your style to last. So the products that I used when I was parting the hair and tying it with the rubber band, I used the Style Black Castor, Flaxseed, Beeswax, and I also used the Styler Gel. I think it's the olive oil version of it, which is the yellow and red Styler Gel. Now, I found that mix to be perfect for my hair. It does not flake, it doesn't feel too hard. It's actually pretty moisturizing. But then again, that does depend on your hair type, so I would use whatever works for you in that case. So again, make sure that you tighten and you secure the hair in there underneath the rubber band. Make sure your hair is moisturized and gelled for easier twisting and blending. So twist all the way down. Make sure your ends are secured by twisting all the way down. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. I truly appreciate it. If you like the video, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment something for me and make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much.